Are you looking for a home in Clifton, New Jersey, where it's walkable to shopping, right near public transportation, easy commute to New York City, and a quiet neighborhood? If you are, you're going to want to check out this home at 148 Rutgers Place in Clifton. Come on, let's go take a look. Welcome to this beautiful split-level home with 4 levels of living space. There's 3 generous-sized bedrooms, 1.5 bathrooms, 1 car attached garage, huge yard, and it's near a local farm and park. It's the perfect place to call your next home. Thank you for coming on the tour with me of this beautiful home in northern New Jersey. If you or someone that you know is interested in seeing it, please let me know right away. You could be one of the first ones in the door. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend or family member. This home isn't going to last on the market long, so if you are interested, let us know right away. And look at this beautiful rose bush I found. We'll see you soon.